Hello guys, Freddy from Megabyte. Today we're not gonna do anything fancy with RGB, water cooling or graphics card or anything else fancy. Today we're just gonna take a look at something that everyone have to have, a hard drive. And today we're going to talk about my favorite hard drive, which is the Samsung SSD Evo 500 gig drive. This might not be the best drive. It might not be the fastest drive. It might not be the cheapest drive. My favorite. I like it. To have my Windows on and a few of my programs. Maybe put a few games on it. Maybe I have my Photoshop on it to just so I have everything that I use day to day on a quick SSD drive close by. You can have the M.2 for your boot drive, but I for one like to have it on the SSD. It's easier to handle, easier to take out and put in a new system. But that's my thought about it anyways. I'm gonna put a link down below for the Amazon side to the drive, so you can get one yourself. If you're looking for a drive, I can really recommend the Samsung S60 Evo 500 gigabytes. I just buy it because I like it and I use it myself, so that's the only reason why we have it today. And that's pretty much when it comes to all the parts. I try them out and I recommend them if I like them, or don't recommend them if I don't like them. And that's gonna be the kinda heart and soul of this channel. But everyone likes different things, so that's kind of the deal with these tech review channels. You need to get input from different ways, different people. And this is my point. Get the Samsung SSD, the S60 Evo for your boot drive, or maybe just to keep your games on, to make it fast loading and easy to use. Click the link down below and hit the subscribe and hit the little bell thingy, and you get notified every single time I post a tech review or a case review or any type of review or any game or any thoughts about the gaming world or the tech world today. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.